Alright, we got some crazy crowds up here around Rick Ross's house. This car is sitting front and center right here. Twin turbo LS, 1962 Chevy Impala. Check it out. Got the turbos right there next to the headlights. Woo. Now next up, this is the gray matter. This car won the Riddler Award either 2025 or 2024. Yeah. Beautiful car. This has to be one of the most well done nomads in existence. Saw it at Detroit Autorama earlier this year.
It don't look anything like this. It's more of a rat rod that'll be out.
And as you can imagine from a Riddler winner, the undercarriage is just as detailed as the exterior. This car is insane. All right, before we get to the rest of the cars up here in the driveway, we're gonna catch some of these ones on the outside a little bit. This is a 1963 Chevy Impala. Saw this car out at Detroit Autorama as well. Full custom interior, of course. Check it out. We got the starlight in the trunk. Hopefully you guys can see it good. It's pretty bright out here. I can't see the screen that well, so. Beautiful car. I love the color. Makes me want some chocolate. All right, next up, we got a 1975 Chevrolet Caprice. And this car has been undercover until this morning, so this is actually the first time I'm seeing this car. 1100 horsepower, supercharged 427 stroker. Absolutely insane. Woo! Wow, look at the trim on the side of the seats. I hope you guys can see that. They got LEDs in them. This car's name is Holy Ghost. Even got the matching golf cart to it right there. Nice. Wow. Got the Holy Ghost and the stands. I don't know if you guys can see the mirror underneath it. The oil pan, transmission pan, everything is all engraved. Beautiful car. All right, next up, we got I95 Motorsports entry to the Rick Ross Car Show. This car's name is Insanity. And it's pretty obvious why. This thing is crazy insane. Supercharged LT4, super detailed engine bay, nice sheet metal work. You see the mirrors underneath it, just as clean as the exterior. Wow. Back up and get a good side view of this thing. Big shout out to I95 Motorsports. Follow them on all social media for crazy, insane builds like that car. All right. Now we're making our way up. We're about to be at Rick Ross's front door, guys. We got security coming through. Check out a couple 57 Chevy lowriders. Said it's pretty congested around here, so sorry, not really getting good clean video for you guys like I like to do, but what do you expect? It's a Rick Ross Car Show. Check out the paint on this. All the pumps engraved. Now this one's super cool because this one has the matching go-kart with it, so check it out. So we got the go-kart right there. We'll get to that in just a second. 57 Chevy Bel Air. This one is not a lowrider. 502 big block. Green and silver is looking really good. Not sure I've seen this color combo before, but it works. So cool. Got the matching go-kart. Check it out. That is crazy. Here we got another 57 Chevy Bel Air. This is the Boss Edition. I'm assuming this is one of Rick Ross's personal cars. Supercharged LS. Back up and get a good side view of this one while it's clear. Whew. It's cool how they have different styles of 57s. Like we got a couple low riders, then you just got like resto mods.
Yeah, resto mods.
Pretty cool. Which one's your favorite?
The green.
The green one with the
I love
matching
that interior.
go-kart? Yeah. Yeah, I do too. Alright, we got the Port of Miami chopper. Nice. 57 Chevy Bel Air golf cart. Guys, we're at Rick Ross's front door right now. This is literally Ross's front door. We got a Monte Carlo SS go-kart. My dude 57 Freddy right here. What's up, 57? How you doing, bro?
You good?
Dude, this is awesome, man.
Thank you.
Hell yeah. That's Big Freddy right there. He's the one that gave me the invite to come out here. So huge shout out to 57 Freddy. Because without him, I wouldn't be here. This is crazy. See 57?
Uh-uh.
That was 57 Freddy I just shook
really?
hands with right there, taking a picture. Here we got a Caprice Classic. This one's got a supercharged LS in it as well. Another one of Ross's personal cars here. And I believe these. Sorry, go ahead, bro.
Well, I didn't want to get your video.
Sorry, no, you're good, dude. Appreciate you though.
Yes, sir.
So, comedian Mike Epps. This is his little mini bike here. And I believe this 57 Chevy is his. And there's another car up there, I believe it's his also. I'm not sure about the next one we're about to see. This is crazy. Look at the detail in the engine bay. Like, that looks like it should be in a jewelry store. So next up, we got a 57 Chevy Bel Air lowrider. This thing is extremely detailed also. Check it out, the gas tank's all engraved, everything chromed out.
Where y'all represent from?
Near Dallas.
New Dallas.
Yep.
Dallas represent, man.
Yep, what's up, Sick Cars and Trucks? Follow on all social media.
Also,
Check me out.
On all social media. Yeah, Rick Ross House 2026, man. Checking out this Bel Air.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. 57 Chevy Bel Air lowrider right here. Nice. Wow, look at the engine bay on this one also. All chromed out. Like, it's just crazy how detailed these cars are.
Everywhere's a work of art.
Oh, every piece on it. It's crazy. I believe this is Mike Epps sauce. I'm not sure about the green one, but I think the red one and this one are
Look at the battery.
Mike Epps. Wow. It doesn't get any cleaner than that.
Last year that they had tents all over there.
Yeah.
I think this one has the original engine in it, which is cool to see.
Yeah, I do.
59 Chevy Impala. This car is powered by LT1, sitting on a Roadster Shop chassis. Yeah, this is one of my favorites for sure. Check out the mirrors underneath it. That blue and, excuse me, bro. That interior is crazy. What a beautiful 59 Impala. Now we're back to the gray matter. And last but not least, guys, this is one of my favorite things of this show. You guys already saw the hauler there. This is, it's funny, but this is one of my favorite things of the whole show right here. This is so cool.
It really is.
Like, who does this to a zero turn? Rick Ross, the boss?
Yeah.
He does. That's what I'm talking about. It's got a stereo system on it.
Yeah.
Coral One Forge wheels. Absolutely and crazy. Check it out. We got a Chevy Impala bench here. It's a pretty cool piece of yard art. And a car made out of trees or something, I guess. Pretty wild.